Hi guys. I am a better man. Steering wheel customization expert. Today I will unboxing a uniquely designed steering wheel Tesla Model 3 steering wheel, which comes from an American customer's customization. His design is inspired by the latest Model S Plaid Yoke steering wheel. He hopes to use his own Model 3. The yoke steering wheel is realized above. We completed the production according to his needs. Let us see the effect.
Wow.
The entire steering wheel refers to the aircraft steering wheel, which is very unique. The material is made of high-grade black perforated leather, which will not slip and is very breathable. In the middle part, an ergonomic design is added, which is very easy to hold. Each of our steering wheels is handmade, and Araham pays attention to every detail. We support personalized customization, which can be any different car, different models, BMW, Volkswagen, Mercedes, etc. Not only Tesla. If you need, please contact us. We can provide you with unique products. I am Better Man. Thanks for watching. See you next time.